Good morning, students. Welcome in online classes, class ninth science subject. Okay. I would like to give heartily thanks to our AC sir and DC sir to giving an opportunity to teaching online. Today we are going to starting science class ninth, chapter 2. Is matter around us pure? बच्चों आज हम क्लास नाइन्थ साइंस का चैप्टर 2 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर? हमारे आसपास जो मैटर है, सब्सटेंस है, वो प्योर है, ओके या नहीं? तो लेट स्टार्ट द वीडियो। इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न अबाउट, इस चैप्टर में हमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है उनको देख लेते हैं। कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स को पढ़ना, उन पर फोकस कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा। अबाउट सब्सटेंस एंड मिक्सचर, इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture and their properties. These are the types of mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous, and we have to learn about their properties, their examples around us. Okay. Solution, its components, classification and properties. Solution के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, कितने टाइप के होते हैं और उनके प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। अबाउट एलॉयज एंड देयर प्रॉपर्टीज, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस, सस्पेंशन एंड कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन। सस्पेंशन, these are types of solution on the basis of size of particles. Properties of colloidal solution are collide. Colloidal solutions are also known as only colloids. Okay, students. It's separating the components of the mixture. Under this topic, we have to learn about different methods of separating liquid solution, gaseous solutions, solid solutions also. Okay. Last topic is physical and chemical changes, and a topic is also there about elements, compounds, okay, and difference between elements and compound. छोटा सा टॉपिक है लास्ट में, एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड्स, इसके बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे। इजी है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, first we have to learn about matter. Matter also you have studied in previous chapter 1. About matter we have to revise. Any substance that occupies space and has mass is called matter, like water, soil, stones and many other things. Okay, मतलब कोई भी थिंग्स है, ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, जो क्या करती है, दैट ऑक्युपाइज स्पेस। स्पेस आपको मतलब स्थान घेरती है। ओके, एंड हैज मास। मास का मतलब उसमें कोई कंटेंट है, मैटर है, पार्टिकल्स हैं, दैट इज मैटर। गैसेस आल्सो मैटर, ओके, बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स मेनी टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स लाइक different gases, smoke particles, dust particles, so many particles. Okay, matter may be solid, liquid or gas. कुछ भी हो सकता है, solid, liquid या gas, matter. as you have earlier studied. Matter is made up of substance. मतलब कोई भी मैटर किससे बनता है? सब्सटेंस से बनता है. Like the body of any living beings is made up of tissues and cells. Same here, any matter is made up of different substances. Okay, substances can be solid, liquid, or gas. Solid है. In solid, the intermolecular distance is very less. We can say least. बहुत कम डिस्टेंस होती है पार्टिकल्स के बीच. More distance and very large distance in gaseous substances. Okay, students. So let's define the substance. How you can define the substance? Substance is a pure single form of matter. मैटर का जो सिंगल फॉर्म होता है, सिंगल यूनिट होती है, दैट इज सब्सटेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक elements and compounds, these are the pure form of substance. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, helium, neon, so many elements. Okay, जितने भी periodic table में elements है सभी substances हैं. जितने भी compounds हैं, H2O, NaCl, HCl, so many compounds are there, these are substances. Okay. Then next, classification of substances. So first you have to know that how we can categorize, how you can classify the substance. Substance, it cannot be separated into other kind of matter by any physical process. मतलब जो भी substance है हम उसको other particles या उसके particles को separate नहीं कर सकते. Okay, by physical process like evaporation, condensation, okay, freezing, melting, these are some physical process. तो इसके द्वारा इनको separate नहीं कर सकते है ना. We can separate by some special process, special methods, special means like electrolysis. Okay, but it is a complex process. First है pure substance. Pure substance क्या? It contains same type of molecules or same type of atoms. Okay, it can be further classified into two parts, elements and compounds. Pure substance को भी अपन two parts में divide कर सकते हैं. कौन कौन से? Elements and compound. Element is the smallest unit of any matter or any substance. Okay, it is total pure form. It consists only same type of particles like sodium, oxygen, helium, neon in element. Okay, it consists, it possesses only same type of particles like for example, there is a 10 gram of sodium, then 10 gram of sodium contains only sodium atoms. मतलब 10 ग्राम है लेकिन उसमें पूरे सोडियम एटम्स ही होंगे. दैट इज एलिमेंट्स. ओके, लाइक हाइड्रोजन, आयरन एंड अदर एलिमेंट्स. सॉरी. फिर कंपाउंड्स. कंपाउंड्स क्या है? इट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स. ओके, more than one type of elements like H2O, NaCl, sodium chloride, copper sulfate, hydrochloric acid, so many compounds are there. Okay, so these are the pure substances. Okay, in compound, okay, there is a certain ratio of elements are found. Okay, फिर मिक्सचर क्या है? It contains different types of molecules or different type of materials or different type of substances. Okay, uh, in mixture, the quantity of constituents is not fixed or not certain, not definite. It can be in any ratio, किसी भी रेशियो में हो सकता है, कितनी भी क्वांटिटी हो सकती है. ओके, it can be further divided into two parts: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means it has uniform composition. Uniform composition means equal distribution of particles and equal size of particles. मतलब जो भी इस मिक्सचर के पार्टिकल्स होंगे वो इक्वल साइज के होंगे, इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा उसका. लाइक sand particles, solution of water and salt, water and sugar. So many examples are there. It cannot be separated by general filtration. You can do that activity at your home. घर में आप कर सकते हैं. सॉल्यूशन आप बनाइए वाटर और साल्ट का, फिर उसको फिल्टर करके देखिए कि साल्ट सेपरेट होता है कि नहीं होता है, फिल्टर होता है कि नहीं होता है. ओके, फिर वाटर एग्जांपल है साल्ट वाटर, वाटर एंड लेमन जूस, ओके, sugar water. So many examples are there of homogeneous solution. फिर heterogeneous solution. Heterogeneous solution it consists non uniform composition. मतलब इसमें particles का distribution same नहीं होगा. Okay, we can see the particles, different types of particles of their constituents. Okay students, like सलाद जो होती है उसमें रेडिश अलग दिखेगी, टोमेटोज अलग दिखेंगे, ओनियन अलग दिखेंगे. दैट इज हेट्रोजीनियस नॉन यूनिफॉर्म कंपोजिशन. ओके, लाइक द मिक्सचर ऑफ oil and water. Okay, we can see them separately. It can be separated by filtration in other physical methods. इनको अपन separate भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, sand water, there are many examples of heterogeneous solution. Okay, the next slide we are going to see some examples of more examples of heterogeneous and homogeneous solution. By this you can, your concept can be clear better. Some images are there. Elements, मैंने इसमें images के थ्रू समझाने की कोशिश की है. Elements, it contains same type of atoms. ये देखिए एलिमेंट सभी सेम टाइप के हैं. ये क्या है? Molecules, it is combination of, these are combination of more than one elements. Okay, फिर compounds, compound possesses more than one type of elements but in certain ratio, in different ratio. Okay, that is that are compounds. Like H2O. H2O हमने लिखा. अब H2O की क्वांटिटी कितनी भी हो, suppose that we take 100 ml H2O. Okay, when we analyze one molecule of H2O, then we found, many scientists have found the ratio of each atom, each molecule is same. So the ratio of mass of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. मतलब जो हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का रेशियो 2 और 1 का होगा इन ईच मॉलिक्यूल. फिर ये होमोजेनियस सॉल्यूशन है. होमोजेनियस सॉल्यूशन में हमने वाटर और शुगर लिया, मिक्स किया. मिक्स करने पे हमने क्या देखा, ये वी कैन नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएट वाटर एंड sugar in this mixture. ओके, इस सोल्यूशन में हम वाटर और शुगर को डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर पाएंगे, ना इसमें वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल दिखेंगे सेपरेट, ना शुगर के. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये भी वाटर सॉल्ट है. सी दिस मिक्सचर, there are two layers are there. One layer is water and one layer is sand. Okay, we can easily differentiate water and sugar. So that mixture is heterogeneous solution or heterogeneous mixture. Okay, see next video for better understanding. Okay students, that is video. See this video carefully.
Matter present in our surrounding can be classified as pure substances and mixtures. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances which are not chemically the same and do not chemically react together. A mixture has the same properties as that of its component elements and can be separated by physical means. In a mixture of sugar and sand, even if we increase the volume of sugar or sand, the mixture remains the same. So it implies that in a mixture the components can be present in any proportions. When we dissolve common salt in a glass of water, we will obtain salt solution. Similarly, put some mud in a glass containing water and stir it well. We will obtain a mixture with the solid particles of mud dispersed in water. By carefully observing, you will find that in common salt solution, no salt particles settle down to the bottom of the glass. But in the glass containing muddy water, some solid particles settle down to the bottom of the glass. This explains that mixtures have different compositions. Accordingly, mixtures can be classified as homogeneous and heterogeneous. A homogeneous mixture has the same uniform appearance and composition throughout. Many homogeneous mixtures are commonly referred to as solutions. A solution is a mixture of two or more substances in a single phase. The substance in the largest amount is called solvent and the substance in the smallest amount is called solute. Now, consider the case of the common salt solution we have prepared. Here, water is the solvent and salt is the solute. Homogeneous solutions are classified as different types based on the solvent and the solute. 1. Liquid in liquid solution. 2. Solid in liquid solution. 3. Gas in liquid solution. In a solution of vinegar in water, both the solvent and solute are liquids, hence it is a liquid in liquid solution. In the case of common salt solution, it is a solid in liquid solution. The best example of gas in liquid solution is soda water. Soda water contains carbon dioxide gas. Let's understand heterogeneous solutions. Suspensions and colloids are heterogeneous mixtures. A suspension is a mixture of large particles. The size of the particles in a suspension is of the order of 10 to the power of -5 centimeters or larger. In a suspension, the solute particles do not dissolve, but they are suspended throughout the solvent. The muddy water which we prepared is a suspension. Colloids are also heterogeneous mixtures, but they appear like a homogeneous mixture. Milk is a good example.
In this video consists also some types of solutions. In these types of solutions like colloids and suspension. In these type of solution we will study further videos, so don't be confused. Okay students, see again.
Of colloids. The particle size in colloids is smaller than 10 to the power of -5 centimeters. In colloids, the particles are uniformly distributed throughout the solution. Colloidal particles cannot be seen with the naked eye because of their small size. but their presence can be observed with the help of an ultra microscope or an electron microscope. What is the effect of light in homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures? Let us understand how light affects
These are
a colloidal
properties of
solution.
colloids
When
and
egg albumin is taken in a
suspense.
glass beaker and some water is added to it, we
It is
get
a
a
solution
colloidal
of
solution of egg
colloidal
albumin.
solution.
If we were to shine a beam of light from a torch through the beaker, the light is scattered by the colloidal particles and the path of light can therefore be observed. The light scattering effect shown by particles in a colloid was first explained by the British physicist John Tyndall. The effect is known as the Tyndall effect. In the case of a suspension, light does not pass through it. In a true solution of salt in water, we will not see the path
True
of light
solution is a
as there is
homogeneous
little scattering
solution.
of light. Things to remember. Mixtures are composed of variable proportions of different substances without chemical bonding and have the same properties that of its component elements. Homogeneous mixtures have the same uniform composition and appearance throughout, whereas heterogeneous mixtures consist of visibly different substances or phases. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, and the substance present in the largest amount is called solvent, and that present in the smallest amount is called the solute. Suspensions are a heterogeneous mixture of large particles on the order of 10 to the power of -5, in which the solute particles are suspended throughout the solvent. Colloids are heterogeneous mixtures in which the particles are uniformly distributed throughout the solution and the particle size is smaller than 10 to the power of -5 centimeters. The light scattering effect shown by particles in a colloid is known as Tyndall effect.
Okay, students, I hope you have got it. Then next, about सॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. मतलब क्या है? Solution क्या है? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Okay, students. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Mixture can contain solid. यहाँ पर solution लिखना था by mistake. Solution. Solution can contain solid, liquid or gas as constituent. मतलब solution में gas, liquid या solid कोई भी particles हो सकते हैं. Okay. Examples of solution: lemonade, it is a solution of lemon juice, water and sugar. Okay, students. Etc. There are many examples of solution. Solution can be solid, liquid or gas. Okay. Next, composition of solution. Components of solution. कौन-कौन से part हैं उसके? Parts of solution. So there are mainly two parts of solutions: solvent and solute. Okay. What is a solvent? It is a component that dissolves the other component. मतलब it is a part that dissolves the other substance. मतलब वह part जो दूसरे substance को अपने में dissolve करता है. Okay. If we take example of the solution of water and salt, then in this solution water is solvent and salt is solute. Okay students, got it? The solvent is usually present larger quantity in the solution में जो सॉल्वेंट होता है वो जनरली लार्जर अमाउंट में होता है, क्वांटिटी में होता है. ओके, ये एग्जाम्पल इन द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ शुगर एंड वाटर इज सॉल्वेंट. ओके, सॉल्यूट क्या है? इट इज द कंपोनेंट दैट इज डिसॉल्व इन अदर कंपोनेंट, मतलब जो दूसरे में डिसॉल्व होता है दूसरे कंपोनेंट में, दैट इज सॉल्यूट. इट एंड यूजुअली इट इज lesser quantity in the solution, okay, called solute. yes, sugar इसमें solvent है. okay students, then next है classification of solution on the basis of their physical state. okay, और यहाँ पर केवल हम फिजिकल स्टेट के बेस पर पढ़ेंगे. okay, as earlier you have watched in a video, there are another type of solutions are colloid and suspension. These are the classification of solutions on the basis of their size of particles. okay, we will study further in next video, next session, on the basis of solutions physical state. Solutions can be categorized as follows. पहला है liquid solution. Liquid solution, it can in liquid solution there are the constituents of in this solution can be solid, liquid or gas also. Solid in liquid can be solid in liquid like salt and water. Liquid solution also can be consist liquid in liquid, vinegar in water. Example, it can also contain gas in liquid like soda water, like upon Sprite, it is also a soda water. Gas in gas, it is termed as, it can be termed as gaseous solution. मतलब इसकी जो लास्ट स्टेज मिलेगी सॉल्यूशन की क्या होगी? गैसियस होगी. लाइक एयर क्या है? एयर में देयर आर, इट कंटेन्स मेनी टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, स्मोक पार्टिकल्स, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, ओके, एंड मेनी अदर पार्टिकल्स. फिर सॉलिड इन सॉलिड, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन लाइक एलॉयज. एलॉयज क्या है? एलॉयज आर जनरली सॉलिड, मतलब ये सॉलिड होती हैं, बट these are obtained during in their molten state. इनको जो प्रिपरेशन होता है वो इनकी मोल्टेन स्टेट में होती है, बट एट लास्ट जो फाइनल ऑब्टेन होती हैं सॉलिड होती हैं. यू हैव सीन लाइक ब्रास आपने देखा होगा, कॉपर और जिंक मिक्स होता है उसमें, ठीक है. एल्यूमिनियम, ब्रॉन्ज, ड्यूरेल्यूमिन, ओके, then metals. These are some alloys you can study further through other sources. Okay students, then other classification of solution: aqueous and non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means the solution which is obtained by dissolving different substances in water. मतलब जो वाटर में सॉल्यूशन हम बनाते हैं, वाटर में कोई सब्सटेंस डिसॉल्व करते हैं, कोई मटेरियल डिसॉल्व करते हैं, दैट इज एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. ओके, लाइक साल्ट इन वाटर, सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. शुगर इन वाटर सीधा सा एग्जांपल है, और इसका सिंबल अपन AQ लिखते हैं. 10th में पढ़ेंगे सिंबल्स केमिकल इक्वेशन लिखेंगे तो एक्वस वर्ड यूज करते हैं, मतलब इट इज द solution in water. Okay, non-aqueous, this solution is obtained by adding any substance other than water. मतलब जब कोई भी मैटर को हम एक्सेप्ट वाटर डिसॉल्व करते हैं, दैट इज नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन नेक्स्ट है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। सॉल्यूशन की प्रॉपर्टीज कौन कौन सी होती है, वन बाय वन स्टडी करेंगे। It is a homogeneous mixture known as true solution. Homogeneous इसका नेचर होता है, that is also termed as true solution. Homogeneous solution को ही true solution बोलेंगे। नेक्स्ट है the size of particles are smaller than 1 nanometer. जो पार्टिकल्स सभी सेम होते हैं, इनका साइज क्या होता है, 1 नैनोमीटर। 1 नैनोमीटर आल्सो वी कैन राइट इन अनदर यूनिट 10 to power -9 मीटर। ओके, 1 नैनोमीटर इक्वल टू 10 to power 9 मीटर। थर्ड पॉइंट, दे कैन नॉट बी सीन बाई अवर नेकेड आइज। तो इसके एक पार्टिकल को हम नेकेड आई से नहीं देख पाएंगे। ओके, फिर दे डू नॉट स्कैटर ए बीम ऑफ लाइट फॉलिंग ऑन इट। एज यू हैव सीन इन अर्लियर वीडियो, व्हेन light is passed through an colloidal solution, then its solution scatter the light of beam. Okay, but true solution cannot scatter the beam of light. मतलब यदि हम लाइट पास करेंगे तो कोई शाइनिंग हमको सोल्यूशन में नहीं दिखेगी। ओके, ट्रू सोल्यूशन में the particles of solute cannot be separated by filtration. You can do at your home this activity. ओके, आप करके देख सकते हैं। इसको हम फिल्टर नहीं कर सकते जनरल फिल्ट्रेशन। ओके, बाइफिल्म फिल्टर पेपर आर जनरल फिल्ट्रेशन बाय स्यू। नेक्स्ट है द सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल्स डू नॉट सेटल डाउन व्हेन इट लेफ्ट अनडिस्टर्ब। मतलब जो ट्रू सॉल्यूशन होगा, हम कुछ टाइम के लिए उसको छोड़ देंगे अनडिस्टर्ब पोजीशन में, तो सेटल डाउन नहीं होंगे सॉल्यूट के पार्टिकल्स। मतलब द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट डू नॉट गेट सेटल डाउन, ओके, इन ट्रू सॉल्यूशन। देन इस वीडियो का लास्ट टॉपिक है एलॉयज। छोटा सा टॉपिक है एलॉयज, एनसीईआरटी बुक में भी है। एलॉयज क्या हैं? These are the homogeneous mixture of two metals or metal and non-metals. Okay, constituent of alloys can be metal and also non-metals. Okay, students, metals are mixed to each other in their molten state. मतलब जब हम एलॉयज बनाते हैं तो इनको मेल्ट करके बनाते हैं। ओके, example है brass is alloy is a mixture of copper and zinc. You can study through other sources, detail study. Okay, आप इसकी स्टडी अदर सोर्सेस कर सकते हैं, इसकी डिटेल स्टडी, but in our syllabus there is no more detail is given. Okay, alloys are a type of solid solution. At last we get a solid substance. Okay, alloys are rust resistant and have more strength. Why we need to prepare alloys? alloy बनाने की जरूरत क्या है? Okay, तो alloys में सब स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी होती है, that is it is very less रस्टिंग. ओके, इट शोज वेरी लेस रस्टिंग, मतलब इसमें रस्टिंग बहुत कम होती है. मीन्स वी कैन से इट इज रस्ट रेजिस्टेंस. एंड है मोर स्ट्रेंथ, इसकी स्ट्रेंथ भी बहुत ज्यादा होती है. इट इज आल्सो ए मोर ड्यूरेबल. ओके, लाइक यू हैव सीन स्टेनलेस स्टील. स्टेनलेस स्टील ब्लेड जो स्टेनलेस स्टील, इसमें रस्टिंग नहीं होती. ओके, ब्रश देखा होगा, ठीक है, पीतल जिसको बोलते हैं, इसमें भी रस्ट नहीं लग होती है. ओके, जंग नहीं लगता है. ठीक है, थैंक्स बच्चों. नेक्स्ट वीडियो we will study about colloidal solution, suspension, okay, and other remaining topics. Okay students, thanks, have a nice day.